Writing, to me, it's the only form of expression. When I do write something and then I sit back and look at it and I think, hey, look, I made that. That feeling, it's the best. Since I started writing, it's obviously changed a lot because of a lot of reasons. Like, I started reading better in the past few years, and because I'm studying English at college, I learned how to read things critically, how to analyze them, how to understand it better, and only when you understand something better can you do it better. There are so many things that I got to do because of Campus Diaries. Whatever I write, Campus Diaries is the only place where I publish it. I got to attend TEDx Gateway in Mumbai, and I got to talk to so many people because of it. Like, there were so many geniuses in that one room, and you felt really small, but it was also very inspiring. And apart from that, it's not just these large things, it's also the basics, like being a curator for the magazine. You get to understand how a magazine actually functions, which I think for any writer or any person who wants to work in any field related to writing, it's very imperative to know all this. Thought about starting this thing called Indian Fiction Project with Campus Diaries, and it will just be this place where we use Campus Diaries as a platform to create a culture of fiction in India. Basically, bringing Indian fiction to the fore and getting people to read Indian fiction. The thing about a writer is that, or any artist for that matter, is that you never think you're good enough, and I think that's a good thing, because then it just makes you keep practicing and getting better. Right now, my only aim as such is to write as frequently as I can and get better with each story that I write.